Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to do some very simple functions for beginners. So first of all I'm going to import the time module. So let's have a look. So the first one is define function 1. Okay, so this is function 1. Okay, and we're going to print 1. Okay, and then we're going to go on to creating another function called function 2. Print 2. Okay, and then we're going to go on to another function which is going to be function, you guessed it, function 3. So it's going to be function 3, so it's going to be print 3. Okay, and then we're going to go on to decide. So creating a function called decide. Right, we're going to put print 3 time dot sleep 1. So that's going to give us a 1 second time delay there. So print 2. So time dot sleep. It's going to be 1 second again, so that's a 1 second delay, and print, let's have a look, 1 here. Okay, and that's going to be a time dot sleep 1 second delay there. Okay, and the final output that we're going to print to the user is here we go again. So we're going to repeat the process, not gear. Here we go again. So we're going to repeat the process, and now all we're going to do is we're going to call these. So we're going to call them function. So look here, function. Function 1. Okay, and then function 2, and then function 3, and then decide. So we get to decide, and then function 1, and then function 2, and then whoops, function 2, function 3, and then decide function. Okay, so all we're going to do now is we're just going to save that and we're going to run the program. So there we go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go again. There we go. We've run it twice. So it's printed out those numbers twice. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.